Hi everyone, welcome to What's for Dinner. My name is Gordo and this is my dad.
Hello.
He was a chef and restaurant owner for more than 20 years and he's here to teach us how to cook simple Chinese dishes at home. And today we are making orange chicken.
This is how our restaurant would prepare our signature orange chicken. First, you'll need sugar, vinegar, dried orange peel, cornstarch, dried chilies, white pepper, green onion, an egg, soy sauce, ketchup, and of course, some chicken. For this dish, you can use either white or dark meat, and today we are going to use white meat chicken because we want to watch our figure. If you're using chicken breasts like us, butterfly the chicken in half, which is holding the chicken breasts down and cutting it through the middle, which I didn't do a good job of, but it is what it is, I guess. But after you butterfly the chicken, start cutting them into diagonal strips. Once we're done cutting everything up, we can start with the marinade by adding a spoon of sugar, a few twists of pepper, an egg, 2 small spoons of soy sauce, and then mix it all up. Now cue the ASMR. Now that you mixed it up, add 2 spoons of cornstarch and a little bit of oil, and now mix it all up again. Now cover it up and let it marinate. To prep the rest of the ingredients, you'll just need to cut the dried orange peel into tiny pieces and cut the green onion in small pieces like my dad does here. I wish I had my dad's cutting skills. Maybe one day I can be like him. One day. Anyways, to start frying the chicken, first add a huge glug of oil in a large pan. We are pouring the oil to about halfway up the pan, then we are turning the gas up on high. While we are waiting for the oil to heat up, we can get started on prepping the chicken to fry. First, let's get a large bowl and pour in some cornstarch to coat our marinated chicken in, and careful not to spill the cornstarch everywhere like I do. Once you poured in a good amount, put in about 1 to 2 handfuls of chicken in there and make sure to thoroughly cover most of the chicken with the cornstarch. Awesome, once that's done, let's test if the oil is hot enough. A simple way to test is grab a wooden chopstick or spoon and dip it in the oil. If the oil bubbles around the wooden chopstick, that means the oil is hot enough. If it does not bubble yet, that means it still needs a few more minutes until it is ready. Once the oil is hot enough and you start seeing bubbles on your chopstick, start dusting off a little bit of the cornstarch and slowly lay the chicken away from you in the oil. We are doing this about 2 batches at a time and we are continuously checking on it to make sure it does not overcook. After about 4 to 5 minutes or until golden and a little brown on the outside, we are taking them out of the oil and putting them into a bowl to remove any excess oil. Slowly lay the rest of the chicken strips away from you and then wash your hands after. After about 4 to 5 minutes, it should be all finished. Put all the chicken into a bowl and after that, let the oil cool down a little bit and you can pour the oil into a separate bowl and use that oil for another time. Let's start on the sauce. Turn on the gas to a medium heat and add a small bowl of water into the pan. After that, put in about 5 spoons of sugar, 3 spoons of ketchup in there, and mix all those sweet flavors together. Then after that, add 2 spoons of vinegar and 2 spoons of soy sauce into the pan and mix. This is all to taste, of course, naturally. Just add more or less depending on your taste and how you like your orange chicken, and keep tasting the sauce to see what you need more of. Like Marco Puree always says, there's no real recipe. You can always add a little more ketchup or tomato puree if you want a more tomatoey flavor, or use pork instead of chicken and make orange pork. Well, I'm sorry, I was channeling my inner Marco Puree there. He truly is the goat of all chefs. Now that you've gotten the sauce flavors to what you'd like, let the sauce simmer for about 40 seconds to a minute and then start adding the dried chilies. We're using about 2.5 chilies because my spice tolerance is very low. Then add in the green onions and then the dried orange peel as well. Now let those ingredients release their flavor into the sauce and keep adding ketchup, vinegar, sugar, or soy sauce depending on your taste. Now that you can see that the sauce has reduced down a little bit, get your cornstarch that has been dissolved in water, mix it up a bit, and add about 5 small spoonfuls of cornstarch to thicken the sauce. In just a couple of seconds, you can see that the sauce has thickened up significantly to somewhat resemble the current president's face makeup. Once it's there, you can turn off the gas and pour in all your fried chicken. Now coat all that delicious sauce into the chicken and it is done. Grab a plate and pour over that beautiful orange chicken and serve. Oh, watch the chicken over there.
Yeah. Good. Yeah. Hey guys, what's for dinner? Some orange chicken.
You okay, Husky?
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, nice.
Alright. Cheers, everybody.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mmm.
Oh,
Good.
good.
Alright.
Yeah. Good job.
Tune in for next time. Thank you.